हम लोग ये समझते हैं कि जब यहां से क्लास से बाहर जाते हैं तो बाहर जाकर देयर इज अ होल वर्ल्ड. दे आर यूजिंग फेसबुक, दे आर यूजिंग ऑल दोज नेगेटिव थिंग्स, दे आर हैविंग मटेरियलिस्टिक अप्रोच, and in the classroom, in our books, we are teaching them the money is not important. Or when they go to the society, they learn it, money is the most important thing. The person from a relative who really gets a lot of respect and will really cook really expensive food for the person is the one who is earning well, who is rich. But we teach them in the classes that money is not important. Materialistic approach is not important. Your moralities matter more. The way you behave matter more. That's what we teach. But do you think they are learning that? Do you think they are learning that? Up to some extent, yes. You know, बहुत मुश्किल है उस बच्चे के लिए इस बात को अंडरस्टैंड करना. हम लोग in a very simple dressing, living a middle class life, we all are teaching them the meaning of the success, the definition of the success. But when he goes into the society, he sees the person who is really successful, he doesn't look like us. Isn't that? He doesn't talk like us. He talks about going to Mauritius. He talks about going to Canada, Australia. He never talks about staying at home, serving your parents. He never talks about that. So there is a continuous war going on between the student, the society, and the teacher. We have two options. Number one, we can quit. Number two, we can fight. Which one would you prefer? So I really appreciate it. First of all, I would like to say sorry that you had to wait for this mic thing and still like it's disturbing. Secondly, I would really like to appreciate that you guys have sacrificed your holiday. How many of you really, let's all just close your eyes please. Close your eyes, all of you. When I say close your eyes, so both of your eyes. How many of you really wait for the holiday? Raise your hand, no one is saying you. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Close your eyes. How many of you really wait for the holidays? If you do, now put your hand down. If you do so, it means you're not very much into the teaching. Because if you love your job, trust me, you never ever wait for the holiday.